Okay, Zaya, why do you like to stay fit?
Because I like to be nice and like not as...
You like to maintain your flexibility and stuff? Yeah.
I like to be very flexible and I want to stay very flexible because it's very good for when you get older.
Yeah? Okay, do you think it's important to eat right?
Yes, you have to eat fruit, vegetables, healthy food all the time. Or
Yeah.
most of the time. You can have a treat day.
That's a good idea.
Treat day.
Yeah.
And then you can have one day of all healthy stuff. No treat stuff. And that's why you should stay healthy very much.
What type of foods do you eat regularly?
I eat lots of fruits. I eat vegetables.
What type of vegetables?
I love corn and I love peas and carrots. And I love eating apples. I love eating oranges. Strawberries.
What else do you eat in lunches?
I eat mostly like cereal, fruit to goes, lots of stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I think, is it important to eat healthy so that you don't get tired a lot? Does it help you keep energy if you eat properly?
Yes.
And stay light?
If you eat properly, you get more energy.
Yeah. So, Zaya, do you have any sort of stretches that you like in particular from gymnastics? Yeah?
I love lots of stretches.
Can you show us a couple?
Okay. Today, there's a little stretch that I'll call steps.
Okay.
It's very cool. It's a nice stretch.
Okay.
1 step, 2 step, up, together, down, 1, down, 2. If you have a step like this, 1 foot, if I want to say 1 foot like this,
So it's like
this.
It's more of like a cardio, right? Because you get your heart going, yeah?
And then down, up, then like this, and you go faster.
Okay, and is there any actual like stretches you like at gymnastics?
Yes.
Yeah?
I do this lots of times.
Okay.
This is how you get your leg muscles all stretched.
Yeah?
Leg. Do the other leg. I'll just turn this one. This leg.
Okay.
Here's another stretch. You should do it out there. The splits. They are very good.
For flexibility, eh?
Yes.
Yeah?
Very good flexibility. So, I'd like you to do one of those stretches each day, and here's one more. You just put 2 legs up here, put one up like this, and leave it there for like a
balance, kind of.
And then do it with the other leg. And here's another stretch you can do. Out, bend, in. Out, bend, in. Out, bend, in.
Alright. So is that good then for today? Maybe we'll catch you again for another fitness tip from Zaya? Okay.
Bye.